Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF editing. And in this video, I will show you how to edit your PDF in Google Drive or for free without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you upload the PDF to your Google Drive, just like what you can see on my screen right here. I have already uploaded the PDF right here, so you can see this is a PDF document. Now, how do we edit our PDF documents in Google Drive? So what you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on these three dots right here. So when you click on it, this is going to pop up. Then go ahead and click on Open With. Then next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on Google Docs right here. Go ahead and click on it. And in a few seconds, it's going to redirect and load the PDF as Google Docs right here. Just like what you see right here. Then from here, you can easily edit the PDF. You can see it is fully editable right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to change this particular figure right here. So I'll simply click on here. I can make this 35, just like so. Then I can make this 228, just like so. Then I can also add images. I can do different sort of things to this particular PDF right here. Tab. So you can do whatever you want to do with the PDF right here. So if you want to add any image to the PDF, locate where you need to add image. Let's say, for instance, I want to add image to the bottom right here. Then what we want to do next is to come to the top right here, click on insert image. Then you can upload image from computer. You can upload from Drive as well, or from Google Photo, or by URL, or you can snap with webcam on your PC. So let's say I'm going to import picture from my computer. So click on that, then go ahead and select the picture you want to add. Like, for instance, I want to add this image. I'll click on Open, and the image is going to be added into the page right here. So we want to make sure that we drag and properly adjust the image. So we can go ahead and make sure we align the wrap with the text right here. If you are not satisfied with the image, you can simply press the delete key on your keyboard. So you can do proper position of the image into the page right here. So adjust the image properly. So I just need the image to be this particular page right here. Just do proper adjustments of the image. And I'm going to crop it more. Just need it to be smaller. Just like so. Then adjust the image and position it in anywhere you want to position it. It's that simple. So once you are done with everything you need to edit in your PDF, so I can decide to make this less bold right here. I can change font style. I can do different sort of things as far as this is concerned. When you are done with everything you need to edit from the PDF, next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you come to. So when you are done with everything you need to edit right here, next thing you want to do is export the file as PDF. So for that, I'm going to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File, and the next thing you want to do is to go to Download. Then go ahead and click on PDF document right here. And this is going to pop up right here. So we can rename it, edit, and we choose our file location, the download folder, then hit on save. And in a few seconds, the PDF is going to be saved, just like so. So let's go ahead and open the PDF right here. Now we have the PDF edited right here. You can see the image we add to the PDF. And if I go ahead now and I open the original document of this PDF right here, so I have to go back to my drive. Then right here, if I click on press enter key and then decide to open the PDF to preview, so you are going to see the original PDF file right here. So just like so, you can see the original file right here, and where this is the editing right here. So this is the edited one right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to explore and use Google Drive, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.